I have your 3 best deals of the week to a perfect Mother's Day gift and a life hack. It's all coming up with a giveaway. Hi, I'm the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite. I profile the biggest price drops. If I find a price for you right here, it's the lowest. I give everything I test away for free to subscribers at the end of the video. And I am ready to rock this right now with 3 deals that all benefit your life, all tied to massive bargains located right under this video screen. I want to begin with one of the most amazing Cuisinart knife deals, which I am giving away to a subscriber.
I test a lot of knives and I use a lot of knives as a professional chef throughout my 35-year career. 17-piece set from Cuisinart. Cuisinart is a name synonymous with quality as far as blenders. I like the knives too. They're clean, no spot for any bacteria or anything get caught in any of the cracks. They come with everything you need, and the best part, the block. A place to store them all, looks sexy in the kitchen. Love the stainless and black. I want to go through them knife by knife and sort of show you what they can do though. So my biggest thing that I loved about it is it comes with the block. I think you have to have a block. I really do. Someplace to safely store the knives. What are you going to do? Throw them in the cupboard or throw them in the drawer with your spatulas? You're going to reach in there and you're going to take a finger off because these knives are super, super sharp. The first thing I like about this kit is that it comes with a traditional 8-inch French knife. A traditional knife that I absolutely love. Man, brings back memories when I was a culinary student. Look how thin you can get that. And again, that's a testament to the knife. Let me show you another trick here real quick here. I like to always test the tip of a knife when I'm working with it to see if it's got enough flexibility to it. So these all do. So they're super, super light, but they have nice flexibility. So I can get really, really thin slices. If the knife is too thick, especially in the tip, you just won't get those really fine cuts that we're getting right there. So that's certainly a winner right there. Love that knife. Moving on to the next one. What do we got here? Oh, traditional, what is this, a Santoku knife? I am not a fan of these. I don't particularly love these, but if you are under the age of 30, are a professional chef and a hipster, you will absolutely love this knife, and you probably will have a few of them already. My cousin loves them and swears by them. It all depends on what you were sort of brought up with. This is more of a chopping knife. Works very, very well, very sharp, you know, still just as high quality, light. It's got the beveled edge so that things sort of peel off the blade very nicely. Good, solid all-around knife. This is your utility slicer. So this is something you're going to use for slicing like meats. You can see those, look at those cuts I can get. Just to show you as an example, and I'm not even putting any pressure. I mean, like, look at this, I'm 2 fingers, and it's just razor, razor sharp. I'm digging that one. Scissors, can't be underrated. I have scissors with me in all of my kitchens. Oh, I like the little bottle opener there. Great for slicing chicken skin, for cutting open a skin to stuff some herbs under. Super, super important. A steel, so of course you can keep them razor sharp. Very, very important. And then what do we got here in the utility knife category? This would be like a tournée knife, something for carving or making interesting shapes. This is your traditional paring knife. So if you wanted to do like, if you were like peeling a mushroom, or if you were, say for example, fluting a mushroom or something like that, where you want to get a nice, pretty design or something out of there, you've got a nice small little utility knife for that. And a serrated bladed knife, which is good for doing some of that industrial type of chopping. I normally wouldn't do an onion with this. I'm just showing you as an example here. So that's a nice knife too. Then the rest of them, steak knives. Love steak knives. I actually keep my steak knives right in my block as well in my own personal kitchen, because whenever I'm having steaks, I tell you spend a ton of money on steaks, treat yourself to some decent knives. All in all, I was blown away by the quality they were able to put together, and this would be probably a $600 or $700 block. That's what I would think, like for all of these tools in a block. It's got that level of feel to it. So all in all, I think we got a winner here. Nice.
At under $80 with free shipping, the 17-piece knife set under this video screen, where you will also find an 85% off, backed by popular demand, Mother's Day gift on canvas. At under $25 with free shipping, this is what I call a no-brainer bargain. And if you want 2, you can score both for under $45 with free shipping.
I messed up when I ordered my prints originally, and I didn't get the same thickness throughout all the prints. So I talked to a person rather than a computer, and what they did was, rather than having me replace or pay for 3 additional prints, They replaced it for free, and all I had to do was pay the shipping cost. And that would have cost well over $200 if I had paid for all three.
I agree. Easy Canvas Prints rocks. And if you're looking for that deal or a way to eliminate all of the toxic household chemicals linked to cancer in medical study after study, and your average sponge or rag doesn't kill bacteria, it just spreads it, the solution I have today includes no solution at all. Just add water. Watch as I pour a heavy oil onto this ceramic tile right now. The same cloth I'm going to use on an iPad wipes up, removes all of the oil, no residue. I take the other side of the cloth, it removes all smudges and fingerprints beautifully from this iPad Air. If that wasn't good enough, we take the same system, move it onto a stainless steel blender, and as you can see, fingerprints, smudges removed. The key, the extra fibers in this cloth for unparalleled cleaning power. Grease, dirt, mildew, grime. It is absolutely awesome. And while other cloths just spread bacteria, this kills it. It sustains 300 washes, hugely well rated on Amazon, except I found a way better price. I found it for under 25 bucks, free shipping. And for me, the fact that it pays for itself really just after a week of use is great for those of us pinching pennies. And now I love giveaways more than anything. And by the way, for those of you ordering, this will sell out and the free shipping is great because this is one heavy box. This is now going to the next subscriber using TubeBuddy's random selection tool to find a subscriber who's commented in the last 6 months. Congratulations goes to Paula. This is amazing. She has never won on YouTube before. She watches me on TV. She is one of my favorite people who just wrote, But you know what? That comment got you a free knife set. Congratulations. Just email support@massdailydeals.com to claim your freebie. And for those of you that want to make sure you don't miss out on the next huge deal, the next upload, click on my happy head right here. I'm happy when you subscribe because you guys are propelling this channel and I love you. And if you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, the demo is there. And did you miss the last big deal? I had a lot and they're right over here.